Hello everyone, welcome to Betty Academy. This is an online school where we try to make school easier by learning various concepts in all aspects of education. So this is accounting series, and if you had not watched our previous video, kindly watch and don't forget to subscribe, like and share and leave a comment down below. So today we are going to learn about classification of accounts, and classification of accounts is categorized into two. As you can see, we have personal accounts and we also have the impersonal accounts. So under personal accounts, we have three categories under personal accounts. So we have the natural personal accounts, we have the artificial personal accounts, and the representative personal accounts. Just from we always know that there are two categories of persons. We have the natural persons, which are human beings, and we also have the artificial persons. In this case, we have these corporations. They are legal entities. They are separate from the individuals, and this kind of corporation is that they can be sued, they can also sue and all that. So under natural person, you'll tend to find that you'll have the name of persons like Simon, Johnston, Mary, Smith. So anytime you come across a transaction whereby it's touching on Simon, Johnston, Mary, or rather any other name, that one will fall under natural personal accounts. Under artificial personal accounts, these are names of entities. These entities, they could be partnerships, they could be companies, they can also be non-profit making organizations. Yeah, all those ones fall under artificial. They are artificial corporations and they fall under artificial personal accounts. In this case, we'll have these are just examples. We have Kenya Airways, we may have Safaricom, Total Kenya. All these ones, they are corporations, they are companies, they are separate legal entities. So they are able to transact business on their own. Yeah, so that's the difference. The under natural personal accounts and artificial personal accounts. Then we also have this particular category that is referred to as representative personal accounts. So these ones, when you have something that is prepaid, anything that you see falling under prepaid, it could be accrued, it could be outstanding, it could be income received in advance, all those ones, they fall under representative personal accounts. So those are the three categories that fall under personal accounts. Under impersonal accounts, which is on the far end, you realize that you have we have this one is a real account, this one is a real account, and we have the nominal account. Under real account, we have two classifications, two categories that fall under that. These ones, we have the tangible real account and the intangible real account. Just from the term tangible, something that you can touch, something that you can touch, you can feel that one, that thing, you can also move it. So all these ones, they fall under real account. And in this case, you may have property, plants, plant equipment, it could be a computer. All these ones, they fall under a tangible real account. You can move your property, you can also touch, not necessarily moving your property, but you can touch your property. This one, plant, you can even move it. Equipment, also a computer is one of the equipments. Under intangible real account, these are things that you cannot touch, you cannot feel them. These ones, you cannot even move them. So like patents, we have patent and rights. It could be goodwill. Goodwill is just a reputation, so this is not something that you can touch. You also have copyrights and all that. So all those ones, they fall under intangible real account, and both the tangible and the intangible, they fall under real account. Then on the far end, we have under the impersonal accounts, we have the nominal accounts. Under the nominal accounts, we have expenses. So all expenses and losses that may be incurred by a business entity, those ones, they fall under nominal account. And some of the expenses, they could be all those costs that you incur while trying to advertise for your product, or rather your service, to reach the market. Any costs that fall under that, you refer to as as advertising costs, and they fall under expenses and losses. They could also be purchases. Yeah, this one, sorry, this one is a repetition. Then under nominal accounts, we also have the income and gains. It could be from sales. Anything that you sell, the moment you sell your product, or rather the services that you are offering, you earn some revenue, and all this revenue you refer to as sales. It could be some discount that you receive. Yeah, let's say for instance you are in the business of buying and selling of goods. Yeah, so you will do some purchases, and when you are purchasing those goods, sometimes the supplier may decide to give you some discount. So that discount that you receive, in that case, it's an income. It's an income to the business entity. It could also be in form of an interest that you've received. So I hope you've learned. Under classification of accounts, yeah, under classification of accounts, they fall under two categories. We have the personal accounts and the impersonal accounts. Yeah, and you also have all these other ones: the natural, artificial, representative. We have the real account, and then we have the two of them here. We also have the nominal account on the far end, and we also have these ones: the expenses and losses, incomes and expenses, that fall under that. So that's the end of the video. Until next time, bye.